Hi, I'm Mike with Aimco Manufacturing.
I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of a 2-jaw gripping tool with a 180-degree incremental rotation used to pick up 120-pound assemblies. Bring the jaws into place and hit the clamp button. With the torque lift, you have your up and down control for the vertical motion and a pivoting handlebar to keep your hands in a nice comfortable position. Once you have the part up in the air, you can hit the toggle switch to incrementally rotate up to 180 degrees to completely flip the part. You rotate the part 180 degrees, set it down. The unclamp button will not work until you pull the common trigger in. So you'll pull the common trigger in, unclamp, and you can release from the part. This tool was designed to pick from the bottom of the base as well. As you'll see with the padded grip pads, we're able to conform to the surface, even though we're at a slight angle on this side of the jaw. Yeah, 120 pounds, conforms nice right in this area, so it has a nice grip on the part. And from here you can rotate 180 degrees the other way. And set the part back down.
Well, thanks for watching. Please visit Aimco Manufacturing for more product videos.